Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel for the most relaxing watch reviews on YouTube. So today we've got another very special unboxing with the first Orient in the collection. So yeah, recently I've been craving a Panda dial watch, so I had to get a little something to crave my itch and also celebrate a few things. But anyway, let's get straight into it. I'm super excited to see this one. So the watch here is part of the Orient Neo70s Chronograph collection, reference WV0041tx. Oh wow, what a beauty. Check out that dial, guys. Oh yes. So it kind of has those Omega Speedmaster or Rolex Daytona type of vibes, with the white dial and the dark black sub dials. Oh, stunning. So yeah, as you can see with the little tag at the top, Orient made in Japan. So this one was a JDM only release. And yeah, I think there was a few others that were released in the collection, with a sunray blue dial, a green dial, a slate grey dial. So yeah, a myriad of different configurations, whatever may suit your taste. But oh, you got to go with the classic Panda, right? Oh, that's just stunning. Anyway, let's get it off the pillow and really check out this watch. Yeah, it comes in a very decent cardboard box, and you know, your standard guarantee and care instructions. But yeah, just so if we get some zoom and focus action happening, you can kind of check out the intricacies of the dial, if we may. There we go. So yeah, Orient Chronograph 10 bar, which is pretty impressive. Got the nice railroad track around the outside, Rehort. Yeah, beautiful Panda dials. So those are black sorry, 60-minute chronograph. So yeah, I guess I'll give the pushers a go, and you should be able to see that. Nice kind of mecha quartz style movement of the chronograph hand there. That's pretty sweet. So you got the 24-hour time, your seconds on the left there, and then your bottom sub dial is a 60-minute chronograph. So yeah, no classic tachymeter on the side here, but that's alright. Let's see the response of this. Yeah, pretty quick set. Really nice. So yeah, nice stainless steel case, flat crystal. I don't think it's sapphire though, just a mineral glass. Nice polished stainless steel. Yeah, really sturdy pushers, and look at this, like even the attention to detail on, you know, the lower end piece. We even have the kind of really nice Orient stamp on the crown there. Yeah, the bracelet, I have to say, for a circa $200 US watch, the bracelet's actually pretty good. And you know, Seiko is usually known for not having very decent bracelets, but I'm quite impressed with this one, but I'll probably end up changing it to leather anyway, just more comfortable. So I'm going to zoom out for a second. So the back, yeah, so it's kind of unique. So this is actually a solar quartz watch. So Orient's not usually known for doing solar watches. So you know, their classic, you know, Bambino, Saturation Diver, Orient Star, or automatic watches, you know, beautiful watches and robust. But this here is actually, as you can see, it says Orient Light Charge. And I think a few blogs around, or posts around What You Seek, etc., do mention it probably runs the Seiko V175 Solar. So yeah, just a battery change will do. So yeah, so you got the Epson branding as well, now that Seiko has a stake in Orient watches, and yeah, you're made in Japan. Nothing really to see in the back there. So yeah, as I was mentioning, it is a solar watch. So those are subdials. The black subdials are actually little solar panels that can, so obviously when you wear it, they charge up under the natural light. But yeah, just a quick little unboxing there so you can kind of see the watch. Yeah, even the clasp, look at the attention to detail on the clasp. It even has your Orient stamped on there. That's spectacular. So yeah, the reason why I went for this watch, so actually I'll just take this off and throw it on the wrist. But yeah, so the reason why I went with this watch, yeah, so as I was saying, I was craving a Panda dial. But yeah, after seeing a lot of sweet photos of the Seiko Bright's 50th anniversary, so reference SDGZ013, yeah, I was really craving something of that look, but obviously that was a limited edition which sold out ages ago. So yeah, found this one on Amazon, really reasonably priced. Got it for just over $200 US. So I'm super happy about that. But yeah, you know, I'm just looking forward to getting some more wrist time and enjoying it. I'll definitely check in with a review for you guys. Oh, just can't get in. That Panda dial is just fantastic. But yeah, probably next time you see me, I'll check in with a review. I would have thrown it on probably like a leather strap, I think. Maybe like a brown or a black. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, just a quick unboxing there. First impressions, super impressed. I'm really happy as well at the same time. So I'm going to go off and take a few wrist shots and wrist rolls and stuff and throw them in at the end of the clip so you guys can really see all the facets of the watch. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like. Drop your comments in the section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And plenty more kind of reviews, unboxings and comparisons to come. So yeah, that's it for now guys. Thanks for watching. Bye YouTube.